Atkins Civil 3D video series, SWR 4B, finished sewer improvement drawing. This video illustrates A. Create sewer construction notes, B. Create construction reference labels, and C. Create data shortcuts of sewer improvement objects. The final step in the preparation of the sewer improvement drawing is to create the construction notes, add reference labels to the construction notes for the various sewer improvement objects, and create the data shortcuts. The notes drawing, which contain the general and construction notes used by Atkins, is shown. These notes are modified as needed for each particular project. Sewer construction notes are prepared to describe the various items of work shown on the sewer improvement drawing. Atkins uses construction reference labels placed in the vicinity of sewer improvement objects that reference a corresponding sewer construction note number and are used in lieu of individual notes. With the reference label, there is a lot less clutter and more detailed instructions can be given in each construction note. The construction reference labels consist of a circle or elongated circle with 0.12-inch Arial bold number contained therein. The label also includes a leader that is tangent to the circle and a wipeout around the circle to obscure objects behind the label. Copy the label and leaders to the desired location and change the number as appropriate. The leader may be erased if not needed. Use rotate RO enter to rotate a leader, or MI enter to mirror a leader, so that the arrow points to the desired orientation. Pick the leader and extend or retract the leader using the square glyph of the arrow, and use the current leader as a guide for the direction. For this video, the construction reference labels used in the Kincaid Road Improvement Project have been inserted into the sewer improvement drawing. Create the data shortcuts for the existing and construct sewer objects. Prospector, right-click Data Shortcuts, Create Data Shortcuts, place checkmark in Pipe Networks. All construct and existing sewer objects will be selected. OK. The various sewer pipe network objects are listed in Data Shortcuts. Since the project base drawing has been XREF'd into the base drawing for each category improvement, road, drainage, water, and sewer, the project base drawing should be updated shortly after the existing and construct sewer objects have been created so that they will be available for use in the other category improvement drawings. The current project base drawing has been updated using the procedures illustrated in video reference sewer to XREF the construct and existing post-demo sewer objects and to draw the objects into the various profile views. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.